Hi everybody, welcome to bcoder.ir website. We are here in this website to learn you how to learn programming as well as you can. Okay, please follow us in YouTube channel. You could access our channel by this button and going to watch my channel. We have lots of videos in English and Persian language that you can use. Okay, this course is about learning programming Python with sololearn in a English language. You could see this course in this part in this playlist. It is the first video of this course, and let's go to first part of this course. Okay guys, you just need to enter sololearn.com in your browser and wait to open this web page. I need to refresh this page. I think there is a problem. Okay, the first page of this website is like this, and you could see some descriptions, some photos, and another elements about sololearn or lots of this. But the best uh, goodness of this website is everything is free. Okay, so you could log in to this website with Google very easily. I tried to log in with my Google account, and I am in my dashboard. You can see my courses, my certificates, and another my points and achievements. Okay, this is my sololearn dashboard, and let's to start introducing this website for you. Okay guys, in this page you could see lots of options for your dashboard. It is your points that is named by XP, and I have close to 4000 XP, and your level and your courses progress. Then you try to complete them. That courses you started before, you can see them in here. And the right part, you can see your achievements, your models that you could achieve them in the different situations and different projects. And the bottom, you could see your certifications that you succeed to achieve them, and other mini projects you could go and solve them during your course, and your codes that you write it in this platform. Okay, let's to see the courses department. You could see all of the programming language and science that you can learn. I tried some of them before, like C++, Python core, HTML, JavaScript, Python for beginners, and intermediate Python. So you could start everyone that you want, that you like, and this part is completely free, and you could start everyone that you like. Okay guys, in this course we want learning Python with sololearn, and I think Python for beginners is very good to start learning Python, and after that Python for immediate Python, and after that Python data structures or Python core is our third step in learning Python. Okay, in the next video we go to learning Python with this course, Python for beginners. Thanks guys. You could see more videos, more courses, and very important issues in our website in the English part that will be here very soon. Thank you. Goodbye to the next video.